guy. We're back together again, and it's time for me to do the one thing I promised I would do for a very long time, which is finish this thing. Let's do this. Oh man, I did an okay job on this side, but this one I ran out of material and just kind of fudged it. Hi baby, welcome home. It's time to resume our project, but first a work beer, because you can't have a project of this magnitude without a work beer. Well, this is not going so well. I am struggling mightily because of the edges, but Alex just gave me a pass on them, so now I can hopefully just focus on the main piece. New plan. It's not warm enough for this adhesive to stay without bubbling, even though I'm smoothing it out constantly, but it's just not warm enough compared to the hot day on which I did this part. So we have little buddy to the rescue. Hopefully with just a little bit of heat this adhesive will actually start to work and not result in the excessive bubbling I'm trying to fight. I will sweat, but that's the price to pay to finish this job. It is so hot in here, but this is actually working. The heat is helping. The bubbles are so much better now, and I just need to smooth them a whole lot more, and then it will be good. Well, after a colossal struggle, it's done. It is done. It is done, it is done, it is done. That was not easy. I don't want to do it ever again. It was a big pain, but it is done. Yay. Next on our colossal projects list this weekend is fixing our handmade sheets. We built these bad boys out of cardboard and Reflectix, and we didn't do any sewing or cutting, but instead we glued, and unfortunately the glue job kind of fell apart on this one sheet due to the temperature changes we experienced on the road. So now it's time to fix that. Let's do this. All right, let's see if this glue gun will work on a battery. It does! Holy moly. I need something heavy. Give it a good roll. Maybe a paper clip. Big paper clip. Let's try that. Alright, and now we wait. After working on Little all afternoon, I think I've deserved a tiny little walk. Let's go on a walk, shall we?
I wish you could see yourself just sitting there on my chair. I'm staring at you, afraid anymore. I know you haven't noticed. You know that I won't let you go. Put your arms around me and I'll let you know how it feels when time goes slow. And I won't let it rush when I see you dance, and the moment comes when I fall and time goes slow. I fall in.
This weekend, we decided to come home. This is what we consider our camping home because the first place we ever camped at, and we absolutely fell in love with it. From that moment on, you can clearly see why this place is absolutely magical. Having our little trailer now only makes it that much more special. Everybody that we know here knows of it, and they appreciate it just as much as we do. And they've been a part of our journey because we wouldn't even have had Little if it wasn't for this place and its owner who told us about Little, and we bought it from his neighbor down the street. So I will forever, ever, ever be grateful to these amazing people that we met here, and just this place. It's heaven on earth to me. Hi, buddy. Where are you? Where are you going?
I wish I could show you more, 'cause baby you deserve some more. But still you're here and that's what I adore. Should've told you straight away everything I have to say, but I'm afraid and I know you haven't noticed. You know. I fall into you.
Hi! I made it from my nature walk. It was beautiful. What? Who says hi? The who? Who says hi?
My parents.
Oh, I kept hearing the beagles. Because you can have a project of this magnitude without a work beer.
Could you hand me my axe?
Big drop. I wish I had a UTV right now. This would be super fun to go down on. But the project fun doesn't end here. Now I need to attach our little camp mirror to the back of this cabinet door. So let's see if I can do that a little bit faster than 3 hours. And voila! We have a mirror.